Hi guitarlings, I'm Gray at Hub Guitar, here today with another fingerstyle exercise for you to build your plucking hand fluency. So this is going to be a straightforward roll in consecutive fashion from low to high, and it's going to involve thumb, index, middle, ring, basically over and over and over again. You can also do thumb, thumb, index, middle, but it's really designed to be a thumb, index, middle, ring, finger exercise, so I hope that you'll treat it that way, at least as you're getting started. So we're going to start with an A minor 7. I've got my index finger on the first fret of the second string, and I've got my middle finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And I'm going to pluck the middle 4 strings. P-I-M-A. That's just a fingerstyle roll. Now I leave my index and middle finger there, and I put my third finger on the third fret of the fifth string, turning our A minor 7th chord into a C chord. Same 4 strings, P-I-M-A. Then for the next chord, I'm going to go to G over B, which is one of my favorite chords in the open position. We're going to take our middle finger and put it on the second fret of the fifth string, and our pinky finger onto the third fret of the second string. The other 2 strings are open. And you'll notice that that repeats. Now as written, you play each chord 1 time, thumb, index, middle, ring. Except of course for the G over B, which repeats. However, you can double the duration of each chord, basically repeating a chord each time. That will help you to hone in on your plucking hand skill and really focus on keeping this as a plucking hand exercise and spending less time worrying about switching from the chords. So as you do that, make sure that you're keeping common notes down when possible, such as between A minor 7 to C, and to try to let each note have its full duration. Also, try not to bump into the strings after you've plucked them. You don't want to bump into them with your fingers again. You'll hear this kind of glassy sound as your fingernail impacts the string. So that's it for exercise number 2, but I hope you'll stay tuned because we've got dozens and dozens more coming, and these are all really, really great exercises for building your plucking hand fluency. Thanks for watching.